Hi, this is Mark Woolbright with VerdTech Inc. We have accessed the world through our website, our e-commerce website, at verticalgardensupply.com. And over the last 4 years or so, we've really worked hard to build up its search engine optimization. And we were coming up great in search, probably better than companies that are, 100 times bigger than us. So I don't know what the reason was, but somebody decided that they were going to hack into our domain registrar's location. They were able to easily defeat all of the enhanced security systems that were in place, and they were able to transfer our domain away from us, and our website went down. So that means we lost our visibility to the world. Nobody could find us. No more searching for vertical gardens and finding our products. We have taken an archived copy of the website and posted it now at verdtech.com, VERDTECH.com. And it looks exactly the same as it did before, but we just don't have all the search engine optimization of the longer standing site. So for now, you can visit verdtech.com, which is also the name of our company, VerdTech Inc. And you can find all of our great products there. Please support us, wish us all the best as we try to get through this difficult time. It's humbling to see all the work that has been done to build this business and have it all wiped away in a second. Um, I hate to give anybody that might be watching that's responsible for this too much credit, but they've defeated some security systems that were in place, and so far nobody's been able to figure out how that was done. Um, but we're going to try and rise from the ashes. We're not going to call it quits. It did take away our storefront, but we have great products. We have great customers. Our products perform well in the marketplace. Customers really enjoy them. We feel like we've got a valuable mission to bring vertical gardening in all of its forms, many forms. Vertical gardens, living walls, living retaining walls, blocks and systems. They work awesome, and we feel like there's a big future for them. So we're going to go back to work and try to get everything reconnected properly with the new URL location and build ourselves back up and keep going. So wish us all the best. Thank you for your support. See ya.